Amazon sellers, with this simple tip, you're going to increase your sales. I guarantee it. Check this out. So in order to increase sales on your Amazon products, you want to upload your own video to the product page. And as an Amazon seller, it's very simple to do. Hi, I'm Jim. I'm an Amazon influencer myself, and if you guys do this, it really helps me out to get placements on the top carousel. So where's the top carousel? Top carousel is right up there in the product pages where you put your product images. You'll be able to put a product video to sell your product and increase conversions. As an Amazon influencer, my videos are usually at the bottom of the product page, but you have the opportunity to create an upper carousel, and this is how you do it. You go to your Seller Central account. You click on the inventory button and you go down to upload and manage videos. And then you just upload a video. Now you want to have a catchy title. And then of course you want to tag your item, and you can use the ASIN for that. And you have the opportunity to create a snazzy little thumbnail as well. It takes 24 hours for these videos to get approved, but right after they're approved, it's going to be on your product page ready for your potential customers to see it and increase their conversions. As I said, I'm an Amazon influencer. I would love to work with you guys and do shoppable videos for you that I can put on Amazon and that will play on the product page, maybe end up in your upper carousel. But in the meantime, create your upper carousel and increase your sales.